Greetings everyone. We are very happy to incorporate thermodynamic aspects into our lecture series. Now onwards this series would be called as the thermodynamic and the combustion analysis. Thermodynamics, as we all know, is a very basic branch of science which deals with the study of heat or energy in motion. Now thermodynamics has two approaches. One is the microscopic approach and one is the statistical approach. Microscopic approach deals with individual molecule behavior at a time, and statistical approach deals with the average number of molecules put up in the system. So there is a difference in analytical approach. Microscopic approach when considered makes the analysis a complicated one, and statistical approach when considered makes the analysis to be very simple. So depending upon our need, we can go for any type of analysis that is desirable. So thermodynamics has large number of concepts and large number of myths with respect to some of the concepts. So what we are going to do is we are going to clear out these myths and understand these concepts in a very simple way. That is the examples to be taken from our day-to-day life. Today, let us have the glass of tea together. So you can see here is the container, which is the insulated one. So this makes this system as the insulated system. So the first concept that brings about in the example of tea is the kind of system we do have. So over here we have an insulated system where the mass inside this container cannot transfer through this into the surrounding or into this environment, neither the energy, because the tea inside this is going to remain hot for a certain amount of time depending on the heat transfer phenomenon and the efficiency of the insulation. So when I open this container, this becomes an open system. The mass can overflow from the boundary, that is the surface over here, and also the heat energy is trying to escape through this opening. So this becomes an open system where mass and energy can liberate or can exchange from system to surrounding. So let us see this example of tea with respect to mixing ability and the taste, and how these thermodynamic concepts are able to define the taste in the tea. So let me fill this. Please don't be confused, this is the tea. So as you can see, I have filled one glass with the black tea and I have kept one glass without anything. So what I am going to do is, I am going to fill this with some amount of milk. So there are two kinds of liquids we do have. One is the black tea and one is the milk. Now black tea consists mostly of the powder of the tea and water. So the specific heat capacity, that is another concept from the thermodynamics, which is nothing but the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of the substance by 1 degree Celsius. So specific heat of the water is more than that the specific heat of the milk. This is 4.187 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and this is 3.8 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Depending on the amount of or percentage of fats present in the milk, the specific heat may vary by a percentage of 10 to 15. So nevertheless, the specific heat of milk is always less than that of the water. What does that mean? That to heat the milk we require less amount of heat, and to heat the water we require more amount of heat. Now in this, what we can see is this contains certain internal energy in the form of heat as well as this one. So when I try to mix the milk with the black tea, just have the concentration. Now there are two properties that are acting. One is the density and one is the specific heat. Because specific heat of milk is less, there will be non-uniform heating effect on the milk, which brings out the taste of the tea to be less. You can say it's not so much in terms of taste, but when I try to put the black tea in milk. As it is done uniformly, the heating of the milk is taking in a uniform way. So that brings about more uniform taste in the tea. So over here we have revealed the concept of systems such as the open system, closed system and the isolated system. We have also revealed the concepts of specific heat capacity, the internal energy, the effect of the density, and what happens due to when two liquids of different specific heat capacity are mixed together in a different manner. So the first time when we mix the milk in the black tea, the mixing ability of the milk is non-uniform type. But in the second case, the tea was a bit less in amount, but nevertheless the mixing of the milk and the heating effect of the milk is in more uniform manner. So you can see the color difference as well and taste difference as well. So you can try out this experiment at your home and revert me back with your conclusions. Thank you all.